Hello everyone. In this video, we are going to learn about solving linear equations. The goal is to make finding the value of x easy by using the balance method. We will also see how these equations are used in real life. A linear equation generally looks like x plus b equals c. So let's get started. Let us first understand what exactly is a linear equation. A linear equation is simply an equation where the highest power of the variable is 1. You will only have x and no x squared or x cubed or anything like that. Here are a few examples. 2x plus 3 equals 7, 5x minus 10 equals 0, x by 2 plus 4 equals 9. These are all linear equations because the highest power of the variable x is 1. Now let's discuss the balance method for solving linear equations. Think of an equation as a balance scale. On one side we have 2x plus 3, and on the other side we have 7. The key principle here is that whatever operation you perform on one side of the equation, you must perform the exact same operation on the other side to keep the equation balanced. Let's solve an equation step by step using the balance method. Our equation is 2x plus 3 equals 7. First, we subtract 3 from both sides to isolate the term with x. This gives us 2x equals 7 minus 3, which simplifies to 2x equals 4. Next, we divide both sides by 2 to solve for x. This gives us x equals 4 divided by 2, which means x equals 2. Now it's your turn to practice. Consider this equation. 3x minus 5 equals 10. I want you to solve for x. Here is the solution. First, add 5 to both sides. So you get 3x equals 15. Then divide both sides by 3. Hence, x equals 5. Linear equations are not just abstract math. They can be useful in real-world situations such as budgeting. Let's imagine a scenario. Suppose you have $500 for monthly expenses, and after covering fixed costs of $200, you want to know how much you can spend each week. We can represent this situation with the equation for x plus 200 equals 500, where x represents your weekly spending amount. Let's solve this budget problem using our balance method. The equation is 4x plus 200 equals 500. First, subtract 200 from both sides, which gives us for x equals 300. Then divide both sides by 4 to find x. This tells us that x equals $75. Therefore, your weekly spending allowance is $75. Let's summarize the key things we have learned. First, remember the balance method. Always perform the same operation on both sides of the equation to keep it balanced. Second, you can isolate x by reversing the operations performed on it. I hope these tips help you in solving linear equations. Thank you. If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit CodeLucky.com for more such useful content.